Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about the weapon that can change your lives, and that is education. Education is a powerful weapon if you want to bring change in your lives or in the world. Let's understand its importance through a story. Once there was a man who had his own identity. Many people used to meet him throughout the day. Many people would wait for him. One day he went to a big mall to complain about something. He asked mall sweeper where is the manager's office. That employee led him to the manager's office, but security guard did not let him in. And he asked him to wait for a while. After a while, manager called the person inside. The man looked at the manager, who was very weak and wearing specs. He had a pen in one of his hands and there is mouse of computer in his other hand. He was sitting on the chair. The manager asked the man to sit. He listened to the man carefully, and to resolve the man's complaint, he asked him to wait. The manager went to the mall's department with the man's item from where he bought that item. The man thought that the people waited to meet me, and now I would have to wait for this manager. And being restless, he went outside. He said to the guard that the manager doesn't know who I am. I never wait for someone. Guard said, "Sir, this is the rule of return of goods. You will have to wait for a while." The man started talking to the guard, and meanwhile the man asked, "You are so tall and handsome, and you have more strength than the manager. Are you scared of him?" The guard replied, "Sir, it doesn't matter being handsome and powerful. The manager is more educated than me. Today the power of fan is the most powerful." The man asked, "Then why didn't you study?" "Sir, I will regret this for a lifetime. My parents used to send me school. I would run away from school. My parents had also put a teacher at home who used to come to teach me every day." The man said, "Yes, schools and colleges are not good in villages." The guard replied, "No sir, this is just an excuse not to study. There are government as well as private schools in villages. The books which are taught here, the same books are also taught there. Actually, only those study who are either compelled or fond of studying. This manager also belongs to my village. When teacher would not come to school, we went to cinema and the manager would study sitting under a tree. And we used to laugh at him. My father had lots of property and a lot of money, but the manager had nothing. Our property ended in treatment of my father's disease and all the money is also gone. One day I told manager about my problems and he brought me to the city and got me a guard's job here. With this I run my house." The guard said, "Sir, I must say, you make your children understand that those who bunk school, they will have to pay tomorrow for today's mistake." The guard's words compelled the man to think. Meanwhile, the manager came back and he apologized the man for the complaint and he returned his belongings. So, this story gives us a powerful message that even if you have nothing, your education can make you powerful and respectable in the world. And if you don't have education, then you may have to regret later. So whatever resources you get, try to perform your best with them. Thank you.